Hi there. Today, to make the most of our math block, we're going to look at our math small group time. Our target skill will be numbers to 5. So during our math small group, we'll think about engaging our students in rich math discussions to really get that math language going, hands-on activities to engage all learners, and then at the end, we'll have a partner activity that we can put right out into our math centers. So in this bin, I have all the materials that we'll need for our small group time, but I just tossed them in there. So we want to go ahead and get those organized so we can really make the most of our time during our math small groups. Now that the math small group bin is organized, it has all the materials that you'll need for your small group time. In my folder on the inside, just to help me with my pacing, I jot down the activities that I'm going to be doing that day and the order that I want to do them in. So we'll go ahead and start with that quick image. So the cards are right here and we can get started. Off small groups with your quick images on a 5 frame. You're going to show them quickly how many, cover it up, and my students, just like number talks, show me how many by using their fingers, and I can call on them. How did you know you saw 3? And they can explain their math thinking by saying things like, I counted 1, 2, 3 quickly, or I knew there were 2 empty spaces, so there's 3 left. I can count back from 5. 5, 4, 3, and I know that there are 3 left. And you'll move on to your next card, quickly show them, and the same routine. They'll show you with their fingers how many they saw, and you can engage in those conversations so that they can hear different students' ideas and understand that we can compose or decompose numbers in different ways. So this is our quick images on a 5 frame, and I can go back to my Post-it note, and I see that I've already done my quick images on a 5 frame, and I want to go down to build it on a 5 frame. So I can look right in the bin and grab out what I need to get started. So we want our 5 frame. For build on a 5 frame, you can use any 5 frame tool to organize their counters. I have these foam counters that organize right on the 5 frame for them, and you'll need numerals 0 to 5. I have these numeral magnets, and you're gonna hold them up, and they will build it on their 5 frame. So they have this in front of them, hold it up, they can all shout out the number together, 3, then have them build it. Double check your counting, 1, 2, 3. 3, it matches. Then hold up the next numeral and they can shout it out again. 2, build it. Double check, 1, 2. And you want to keep going, have them build their different arrangements, and you can talk about different ways that you can show the same number. So if one student has it like this and another student shows it like this, I like to ask the question, which one shows 2? And you can really have those rich discussions again of they both show 2, but they're in different arrangements. So your build it on a 5 frame is that hands-on engaging activity for your small group time. And we can go back to our Post-it notes so we stay on track. We've done quick images, build it on a 5 frame. Now we're ready to get started with our partner activity, spin and build. Our partner game, spin and build, is just like it sounds. One partner is going to spin. The other partner is going to build with their counters, and then they both want to go back and double check. Does what we spun on our spinner match what we built on our 5 frame? And you can talk about, remember, when you're with your math partner, you're doing your math job, and talk about those rules and routines of your math centers. What does math look like? What does it sound like? Really encourage those behaviors that you want to see. And then you can set it up and put it right out into your math center. Because you've explicitly explained it, they know just what to do for that activity. Make sure you check the description for links to the activities and materials that we used today while we made the most of our math small group time. If I'm missing any links, just leave me a comment and I will add them to the list. Stay tuned for more videos of making the most of your math block.